do some exercise on redox reaction that is based on oxidation number concept. Look at the first question. You have to identify the following oxidation reduction reaction. Means you have to find out or classify which one oxidation and which one reduction reaction. So by using the oxidation number concept, look at here, as we know the oxidation reaction where the oxidation number is increases. So we can identify the reaction. Similarly, in reduction, the oxidation number is decreases of the species. So we have to look at the exercise. So we'll see the first exercise here. Fe3 plus ion change to Fe2 plus ion during the process. Look at the oxidation number here decreases by 1. So from plus 3 to plus 2, it is decreased by 1 by loss of 1 electron. Look at here. Here plus 3, in this case 1 electron except change to plus 2. So such type of reaction process is called reduction. So right here it is reduction reaction. Simple. Here the oxidation number decreases or oxidation state decreases. So reduction reaction. Look at the second. We have to assign the oxidation number of this nitrogen because it have standard oxidation number. So orally we can calculate the oxidation number of nitrogen is plus 3 because oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1. Minus 3 because oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1. So 3 hydrogen plus 3, so equal to minus 3. Therefore, the oxidation number of nitrogen is minus 3. Here, the oxidation number of nitrogen is plus 2 because the oxygen is a more electronegative than nitrogen. So it is electronegative, showing the minus 2 oxidation state. Therefore, the charge on nitrogen or oxidation state is plus 2. Look at here. The oxidation state is changes from minus 3 to plus 2. So in this case, oxidation number increased of nitrogen. So as we know, the reaction process, if the oxidation number is increases, we call the oxidation process. So we'll write here NH3 change to NO. So this reaction is oxidation. Since in the redox reaction such changes is taking place where nitrogen, its oxidation state increases. How much it is increases? Look at minus 3 to plus 2. It is increased by 5. That means the 5 electrons we have to add here. So plus 5 right here electron. In this case 5 electron is lost. Therefore the process is oxidation. Similarly, look at here. So we have to calculate the oxidation number of manganese, Mn. Here already given plus 2. So we have to calculate the oxidation number. Look at here. It's a polyatomic ion whose net charge is minus 1. And oxidation number of each oxygen is minus 2. So it comes to be minus 8. Remove one minus. So minus 7. Now it become plus 7. So plus 7 oxidation state of Mn change to plus 2. Here the oxidation state is decreases from plus 7 2 plus 2. Therefore, this reaction is called reduction process. So we'll write here MnO4 minus to Mn2 plus. So in this case, the reaction is nothing but here the oxidation state changes. Therefore, it is called as reduction process. How much it get reduced? So plus 7 to plus 2 means 5 electron is added. So 5 electron is gained. Therefore, the reaction is reduction reaction. Similarly, the fourth process where in this case NO3 minus nitrate ion changed to nitrogen dioxide gas. So we have to calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen in this case as well as in this case. Now the net charge is -1, oxidation number of oxygen is -2. So 3 oxygen will become -6. Remove 1 minus, it become -5. So oxidation number of nitrogen is +5, or oxidation state of nitrogen is +5. Here oxidation number of nitrogen is +4 as the oxidation number of 2 oxygen is -4. So here the nitrogen changes its oxidation state +5 to +4. So again the oxidation state is decreases from +5 to +4. So this process, as the oxidation number decreases, that is 1 electron is gained by nitrogen. Therefore, this process is also called as reduction process. In this case, we can have different examples, different exercise to classify it in terms of oxidation, reduction with the help of the oxidation number concept. Therefore, we can easily identify and we can balance the unbalanced equation. These are the half reaction to identify. Now we'll move to the next question, that same on the basis of oxidation number concept, we have to identify the redox reaction. With the help of this method, what we calculate here, oxidation and reduction reaction. Now these are the reactions or process. We have to find out which one is redox reaction. Now we'll stress or point out on this compound. These two are the reactants changed to the products. We'll find out the changes in the reactants to the product. Now oxidation state, we have to find out of this phosphorus in the phosphoric acid. Now this is the +1, so total hydrogen is +3. So one hydrogen is +1, oxygen -2. So here the phosphorus, if you calculate, it comes to be how much? +3 -8. So -8 plus 3. So oxidation state of phosphorus is +5. Look at the oxidation state of phosphorus in the product. Here the potassium is +1. So we'll write here +1. Oxygen -2. Total potassium is 3. So +3. Total oxygen, so 4 -8. So it's calculated. The oxidation state of phosphorus comes to be +5. Similarly, in this case, we have to know the oxidation state of potassium. It's a +1. Oxygen, it's -2. And hydrogen is +1. Where in this case, hydrogen, the oxidation state is +1. Oxygen is -2. Therefore, look at the oxidation state changes from +5 to +5 of phosphorus, so there is no loss or gain of electron. Hence, such reaction or process is not redox reaction. So it is not redox reaction. We'll see the next one. In this case, zinc treated with HCl to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Now, as we know, the first rule for oxidation number assigning that the elements in a standard form or standard state, that oxidation number is 0. Now this zinc changed to zinc chloride, so its oxidation number is +2. Here oxidation number is 0. So from 0 to +2 it is changes. So we call the oxidation number increased. Therefore this process we call as oxidation reaction. Similarly, in other case, hydrogen whose oxidation number is +1. Here in a standard form oxidation number is 0. Therefore the oxidation number is increases by gain of electron. Therefore this reaction is reduction. In general, we can say this process is redox reaction. Now next, copper in aqueous solution reacts with iodate in aqueous solution to give copper ion in aqueous solution, and iodine remain in the aqueous solution. We'll see the oxidation number, it's already mentioned, it's a +1. Now copper changed to copper ion changed to from +1 to +2. So in this case this oxidation number is increases, that is the reaction is called as oxidation reaction. So the oxidation number increased by 1 from copper to copper +2, it's called oxidation process. Similarly, simultaneously here, the iodine, the oxidation state calculated to be +5 as the polyatomic ion whose net charge is -1. So calculated after assigning, it's called +5 coming, and the iodine in free state, that is in a standard form, the oxidation state is 0. Therefore the oxidation number increases from +5 to 0, decreases from +5 to 0. In this case the reaction is called reduction reaction by gain of electron from iodide ion to iodine. Therefore this reaction is also redox reaction. So students, we learn how to identify or how to classify oxidation and reduction with the help of oxidation number concept, as also we can have the idea to identify redox reaction based on the oxidation number concept. By help of these different examples or exercise, we can learn the redox reaction and how to assign the oxidation number of different atoms of elements of a compound or in a polyatomic ion.